Hello, my name is Achim Kraus from Bosch Software Innovations. I work in the Eclipse Californium project and since this year as committer. Californium is a co-op implementation which is a UDP-based REST protocol. As you see, it's based on the RFC and a specification from the IETF. I will make it very fast. So this is our statistics. I think we also have more commits, more contributions, more issues, much more issues. Yes, and let me say last year we have planned 2 releases, the 1.1 for introducing co-op over TCP. Unfortunately, even until now, this draft or this specification is not finished, so you cannot also not finish the implementation for co-op over TCP. And for the 2.0, we want to support some stuff for cluster support. But in fact, we were this year more or less blocked by fixing issues, providing stabilization, cleaning up security stuff. So therefore, I just put the question mark on all deadlines because right now we are still struggling and fixing some leaks. And I guess the 1.1, I guess it will never come. I guess we will switch to 2.0 if we're ready with the bug fixes. That's the plan. But bug fixes is always very hard. So that's what the challenges are. Sometimes the specifications are even under discussion and therefore leave too much room for interpretation, which costs a lot of time. You see there is a large problem using co-op TLS over IP4 environment with changing addresses. It's still not ready in the IETF what to do with that. And yes, sometimes we have also long discussions with people who want to use the library. Some of those sleeps for half a year and then say, no, I don't want NetT. Or here we have someone who has another opinion about a blockwise transfer. There's also very long-lasting discussions and these are very time-consuming. And at the moment, I guess there are 3 active people in this project. And if you collect them all up, then I guess it's exactly 1 person who really works on it. And for this is very much work. And so currently, I'm not sure when the 2.0 release will really be. So I think you have already seen a slide similar from Kai. Plans how to use co-op. It's a pretty easy to use library. I guess there are a lot of people use it even without our notice. We then see sometimes that they ask questions and then we get aware that they're used. I know that there is also some academical use which do not feed back to Eclipse because of whatever reasons for this university is. As far as I know, there was some guy using Californium to build up the payload security stuff on it. It's not a draft. Yep. And as you have seen, this is also a slide from Kai. And now the deletion is now moved back to the end, but right now I guess deletion is still the most important using for project for the Californium. So that's from my side. I think all are waiting for the coffee.